Ever wonder what would happen if you ate just 2 bananas every single day? It might sound simple, maybe even boring, but what those 2 bananas do inside your body is actually way more surprising than you think. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to look at bananas in a whole new way. Bananas, they're everywhere. Cheap, tasty, portable. You toss one in your bag, grab one on the way to work, slice it into oatmeal, or blend it in a smoothie. In fact, bananas are one of the most eaten fruits in the world. The average American eats over 25 pounds of bananas a year. That's around 90 bananas per person. But here's the big question. What if instead of just grabbing one here and there, you actually made it a daily habit, 2 bananas every single day? Would that help your health? Would it cause problems? Or would it just make you feel like a monkey at the zoo? Well, the truth is, bananas pack more power than most people realize. And when you eat 2 a day, you unlock some pretty cool changes in your body. Let's break it down step by step. Point 1, instant energy boost. Bananas are like nature's energy bar. They're rich in natural sugars, glucose, fructose, and sucrose. But unlike candy, they come with fiber that slows down the sugar rush. That means when you eat 2 bananas, you're giving your body a quick boost of fuel, but without the crash you'd get from donuts or soda. That's why athletes love them. You'll see tennis players on TV munching a banana right in the middle of a match. It's quick energy that keeps them going. So if you're someone who needs a mid-afternoon pick-me-up, 2 bananas can give you a smooth, steady lift. Point 2, heart health helper. Here's a fun fact. Bananas are loaded with potassium. 1 banana has around 400 to 450 milligrams. 2 bananas? Close to 1,000 milligrams. Potassium is like a bodyguard for your heart. It balances out sodium, relaxes blood vessels, and helps keep blood pressure in check. Doctors actually recommend high potassium foods as part of the DASH diet, which is designed to lower blood pressure naturally. So 2 bananas a day? That's a simple step toward protecting your heart and keeping your ticker strong. Point 3, happy gut. Happy you. Let's talk digestion. Bananas have both fiber and a special type of starch called resistant starch. It works like food for the healthy bacteria in your gut. Think of it this way. When you eat 2 bananas, you are not just feeding yourself. You are feeding the little good bugs inside your intestines that keep digestion smooth. Result? Less bloating, more regular bathroom trips, and a gut that feels happy. And here's a little bonus. Bananas can also help calm an upset stomach. That's why they're part of the classic brat diet. Bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, often recommended when your tummy's not feeling great. Point 4, natural mood booster. This one's kind of cool. Bananas contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin, the feel-good chemical in your brain. Add in vitamin B6 from bananas, which helps with brain function, and you've got yourself a natural mood snack. So eating 2 bananas a day isn't going to replace therapy or anything like that, but it can give your brain a little extra support to stay calm, focused, and maybe even a bit happier. Point 5, weight management. Okay, here's something a lot of people wonder. Do bananas make you gain weight? Bananas do have carbs and natural sugar, sure. But here's the trick. They're also filling. 2 bananas a day adds around 200 calories to your diet. Not bad. But because of the fiber and slow-release carbs, they actually keep you fuller for longer. That means you might end up snacking less on chips, cookies, or random junk food. So weirdly enough, instead of causing weight gain, 2 bananas a day could actually help with weight management if they replace less healthy snacks. Point 6. Stronger muscles and less cramping. Ever had a leg cramp in the middle of the night? Painful, right? Bananas are famous for helping with cramps. That's partly because of the potassium, but also the magnesium they contain. Both of these minerals work together to keep your muscles functioning smoothly. So whether you lifting weights at the gym or just want to avoid those annoying night cramps, 2 bananas a day can give your muscles the nutrients they need to recover and relax. Point 7. Skin and hair. Benefits. This might surprise you. Bananas are full of vitamin C and antioxidants, which protect your skin from free radicals, the stuff that speeds up aging. The vitamin B6 helps with collagen production, which keeps skin firm. So 2 bananas a day aren't exactly Botox, but over time they may help your skin look healthier, brighter, and less tired. All right, here's the part nobody expects. When you eat 2 bananas a day, you're not just helping your energy, your heart, your digestion, or your mood. You're actually reducing your risk of chronic disease in the long run. Studies have shown that a diet rich in fruits like bananas lowers the chance of developing things like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. Why? Because bananas combine potassium, antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins in one simple, affordable package. It's like taking a natural multivitamin every day, except it tastes good, costs about 50 cents, and doesn't feel like a chore. So the real secret of eating 2 bananas a day? It's not just about the small daily benefits. It's about stacking the odds in your favor for better health in the years to come. So, let's wrap it up. 2 bananas a day can boost your energy without the crash, protect your heart with potassium, keep your gut happy and digestion smooth, support your mood and brain, help with weight management, reduce cramps, and support muscle recovery, improve your skin and overall health long-term. All that from a fruit you probably already have sitting on your kitchen counter. Pretty wild, right? Now, here's what I want to know from you. Do you eat bananas every day, or are you more of a once-in-a-while kind of person? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to see where you stand. And if you learned something new today, hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips that actually make sense. Thanks for hanging out with me, and hey, maybe tomorrow grab 2 bananas and see how you feel.